We have here division of complex numbers. This is 4 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 2i. So let me copy our example. We have 4 minus 3i over 5 plus 2i. We have to get rid of our denominator. How we do this? We always multiply numerator and denominator by the same expression which we have in denominator but opposite side. When we have positive, so we have to now multiply by 5 minus 2i. When we multiply denominator, we have to multiply numerator by the same expression. So when we multiply numerator and denominator by the same expression, we didn't change anything. We still have the same. But now, what will be? Because in numerators, we have different expression in parentheses. It means we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So let's do this. We have 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times negative 2i, so this is negative 8i. Negative 3i times 5, so this is negative 15i. Negative 3i times negative 2i, so it will be positive 6i squared. And denominator, because we have different signs, so we will use here formula difference of squares. A minus b times a plus b is equal a squared minus b squared. In our example, a is equal 5 and b is equal 2i. So what we will have here? A squared minus b squared, so will be 5 squared minus 2i to second power. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms in our numerator. So it will be 20, we copy negative 8i and negative 15i, so will be negative 23i plus 6, and we have I squared. We know that in complex numbers I squared is equal negative 1. I is square root of negative 1. So now y squared we can substitute by negative 1 over, and in denominator we have 5 to second power is 25 minus 2i to second power, so this is 4i squared. So this is equal, we have 20 minus 23i, 6 times negative 1, so it will be negative 6 over 25 minus 4, and I squared, like I said, is negative 1. So we substitute I squared by negative 1. So this is equal. We have 20 minus 6, again we combine the like terms, is 14 minus 23i over 25, negative 4 times negative 1, so it will be 25 plus 4, so this is equal 14 minus 23i over 29. So now you can rewrite that this is equal 14 over 29 minus 23 over 29i. This is my solution. We divide two complex numbers.